Guys, keep yourself hydrated in this COVID situation and this bloody summer. This will help you to survive. So hello there everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's Gary here and you know me as Bike Life Travel. Since I've started making videos on this specific brand Benelli Imperiale 400, many people have given me a good response on each and every video since I have been uploading. So yes, a big thank you to all beautiful people from the different state of India and also from Malaysia and Italy. So a big thank you for everybody who have been watching my videos and giving a good response too. So people have been commenting a lot of comments, like more than 500-600 comments on my videos, and most of them are like common. So I have sorted out some common questions out of it and I will be making a separate video on the specific thing. So today's point is going to be how to maintain a chain sprocket on your Benelli Imperiale 400. To maintain a good health on the motorcycle chain sprocket, first of all you need to keep a track on the kilometers. So you cannot, so if nowadays motorcycle come with the trip 1 and trip 2, so always go to trip 2 and make the trip 0, and whenever you wash your chain sprocket, try to clean up or something. So once you clean up the motorcycle chain sprockets, you need to keep a track. So how will you keep the track? Try to make the trip 2 0. I especially use trip 2 only because I don't use trip 1. Trip 1 I use for ridings and all. So trip 2 make it 0. So accordingly you come to know like how much kilometers have you ridden so far after you have cleaned this chain sprocket. Now second point in this, what all thing I have to use to clean the chain sprocket. So people suggest kerosene, petrol, diesel. I personally feel, my opinion is not recommended. So I personally feel I am not recommending any people. No one is giving me for promotion, but I personally feel Motul is the best in class till date, because where I feel Motul cleaner, that is C1 and C2. C1 stands for cleaner and C2 stands for lubricant. So chain sprocket has to be cleaned after 300 to or between 500 kilometers, like in between 300 to 500 kilometers. That's why I said keep a track on the trip meter 2, make it 0 after you clean up, and after you've done at least 300 to 400 kilometers, you need to check your chain sprocket whether it's healthy or not. So I have seen a common mistake, usually riders does it, like not everybody, some of them does it. They clean the motorcycle chain and they immediately apply lube on it. That is really wrong. What you need to do is, when you apply cleanser on it, you clean the chain thoroughly and also the sprocket and let it dry for at least 20 minutes. After you clean up, remove all the dust and keep the motorcycle aside, so that all the spray might vanish in the air. And also you have to clean up with a dry cloth. Let it go out everything and let the chain be completely dry. When you apply the lube, you need to keep your motorcycle at least 15 to 20 minutes. Let the lube settle on the sprocket so that it has a better grip and lubed up. So chain sprocket life is maximum up to 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers. After that you need to change your chain sprocket, and depend how your chain sprocket has been used. You have to just cross check with the service manager or service team. According, they will suggest. If they say it's done, then it's done. If they say it's still working, then you can use forward. So one special tip I would love to share with you guys on the chain sprocket. So when you take your motorcycle for services purpose at the respective service station, make sure you speak to the manager, the service manager or the mechanic, anyone whichever is comfortable with you, to not to clean the chain with the highly pressurized water. So as everyone know, the O-ring, it's the chain sprocket, the chain is specially made out of O-ring. So if the O-ring is damaged, you will certainly have a noise coming while you ride. So to avoid that, make sure you speak to the service manager, ask him to clean the chain manually with the chain spray, and don't add pressurized water after cleaning also. So avoid direct contact. The highly water is okay, if normal water is falling on the chain, that is okay. But if you are purposely pushing a highly compressed water to clean the chain, avoid it. So this was a small tip. Ask him to clean the chain sprocket with any specific brand of your choice or with the company's recommendation. So thank you for joining in this video up till here. I hope you find this video informative. Try to share this video amongst your all the friends so that everyone will come to know the tips part.